In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the passcode of your iPad or iPhone. The steps are the same. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we have to go to the settings. I'm going to tap the settings and the settings window will be opened. From here, we have to scroll and we'll find Touch ID and passcode, or Touch ID and Face ID, something like that. We just need to tap it and it will open like this way. Here we need to type the current passcode of our iPad or iPhone. I'm going to type the passcode, which is 1234 for me, and if the passcode is correct, it will bring this type of option. From here we'll see one option is there like change passcode. To change the passcode, we have to tap it over there and it will prompt us to put the current passcode. So I'm going to type my current passcode, which is 1234, and it will be unlocked. And now it is giving us the option to change the passcode. This will be our new passcode which we want to put basically. So here it is asking like 2 3 4 5 6 digit number, but we can change it. On the bottom of this window we'll see passcode option. If we tap it over there, it will bring this type of option like 4 digit number or 6 digit or custom numeric code and some other thing. I'm going to choose 4 digit because it is easy to type. Now I need to put a passcode. So for the time being, I'm putting the passcode like 0001 for example, and again I need to retype the same passcode 0001. And if the passcode is both of the time, if the passcode is correct, I mean if we retype the same passcode, it will be changed. Now it will take some time, like few seconds, like 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and it will be disappeared. Now we can close it and then we can lock our iPad. Once we lock the iPad, we can unlock it, and again it is asking us to put the passcode. Now we need to type the new passcode to unlock it. So I'm going to type the new passcode, which is 0001, and it will be unlocked. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily change the passcode for our iPad or iPhone. Thank you guys for watching the video.